Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making pecan caramel coffee cookies featuring Javy caramel coffee concentrate. Guys, these cookies were super delicious, really chewy. I highly recommend. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up before you leave. All right, so here we have our butter in the bowl. It's a little on the soft side. It started to melt a little as I was softening it. That's fine because we're going to refrigerate our dough before we bake the cookies anyway. So I'm going to turn the mixer on, and then I'm going to add the brown sugar and granulated sugar. So now I'm going to go in with the 2 eggs, the vanilla extract, and the caramel Javy coffee concentrate. Now I'm going to take a second to scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl. So now I'm going to turn the mixer back on, and we're going to add our flour mixture. Then we're going to go in with our caramel bits and our chopped pecans. All right, guys, so our cookie dough is done. I'm going to scrape the dough off of our paddle, and then I'm going to place the bowl in the refrigerator. We're going to let this chill in the refrigerator for about 2 hours before we bake them. So I'll be back when they're cooled and we're ready to put them on the cookie sheet. So here we have a cookie sheet that I have lined with parchment paper. A couple hours has passed and our cookie dough is nice and chilled. So what we're going to do is take an ice cream scoop and scoop the cookie dough out onto the cookie sheet. That way all of our cookies are the exact same size. So I'd like to thank Javy for sending over another bottle of their coffee concentrate. As you guys can see, this time around I'm trying the caramel coffee concentrate. It's super easy to make drinks using coffee, but as you can see, I also do a lot of baking using the coffee concentrate. I've done a lot with the original coffee, and this is the first time I'm actually baking something using the caramel coffee concentrate. But Javy is super convenient, easy to make, just 1 or 2 teaspoons in your water or milk, and then you can have a drink. And as you can see from this recipe, super easy to incorporate into your baked goods as well. So if you're interested in trying Javy, you can use my discount code Friday's Kitchen for 20% off your order. You can find a direct link in the description box of this video as well as the comment section. So once again, thank you, Javy. So here we've added the cookie dough to the cookie sheet. It's now time to bake. The oven has been preheated to 350 degrees and the cookies will bake for 15 minutes. So I'll see you guys when we take these out of the oven. So here are the cookies after 15 minutes in the oven, and y'all, they smell so good. I cannot wait for these to cool so I can give them a try. We have made it to the end of our video. Here we have the finished product, our pecan caramel coffee cookies. Guys, these cookies are so good. They're super chewy, really good. And I think I used just the right amount of the coffee concentrate because it's not overpowering. So if you guys would like to give this recipe a try, you can head on over to Javy's website. Use my code Friday's Kitchen for 20% off your order. You can find a direct link down below in the description box of this video as well as the comment section. I'd like to thank you guys for watching today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.